Here in Hamilton, new details are emerging as the Crown builds its case against accused killers Oliver Karafa and Lucy Lee. Today, the jury heard from a friend of Karafa's who was mistakenly arrested for the murder. Al Sweeney has the details.
As the trial proceedings began today, the judge had a message of caution for the jury. One of the lawyers had suggested to a witness that Karafa killed someone as a drunk driver at the age of 19. Justice Harrison Arrell told the jury, "You may not conclude that because Karafa may have had a prior conviction or otherwise had a bad character, it is more likely he committed the crimes he is charged with." He said, "You may not reason that Karafa is the sort of person who would commit the offense here." Karafa and Lucy Lou Lee are charged with first-degree murder in the shooting death of Tyler Pratt and with attempted murder in the shooting of Pratt's girlfriend, Jordan Romano, in Stoney Creek on February 28, 2021. As the prosecution developed its case today, it called a friend of Karafa's to the stand. The friend, Toronto chef Fei Chin, said he agreed to the switch of a so-called SIM identity card in his phone that could track a phone's location with a card from a phone belonging to one of the accused on the day of the murder. Chin testified that he was arrested for the murder 10 months later because of cell phone records until he explained the SIM card switch to the police. Chin said he never expected a SIM card belonging to him would be tracked to a murder. In another development, the Crown presented an agreed statement of fact from a man who appeared to be from Montreal, saying he had been negotiating with Karafa to buy a white Range Rover SUV and an older Audi A5. At first, the evidence said Karafa wanted $30,000 for the vehicles. According to the statement, he eventually agreed to take a total of $2,000, but insisted the vehicles be sent out of the country. One text message from Karafa said, "Get rid of it. You will export it, right? So no trace of them." The court has been told that Karafa and Lee drove to the scene of the murder in a white Audi, and that Romano was shot and injured as she sat in a white Range Rover. Al Sweeney, CHCH News.